Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial. And in this previous tutorial, we have seen how to create this navbar. And in this tutorial, we will see how to create this auth context for user purpose. Okay, so first of all, I will do one thing. I will import the Axios from the Axios over here. And next, I'm having React. I will import the React from React, and along with the React, I will import a few other things as well. So I will say create context, use state, then the use effect also I will import and use context as well. Okay, so now this has been done. Then I will say constant auth context. So basically I will create the instance of the auth context and I will say create context over here. I will create a context instance over here and export constant auth provider. I will create I will take the parameter as children. And when it comes to this auth context, it will basically return. And what it will basically return is auth context dot provider and values we have to pass over here. So over here, the first value which will be the user, and second I will pass some parameters which I will show you how to do that in this tutorial. Okay. So first of all, let me just do one thing. So this is the declare function which we have over here. So first of all, I will make use of the use effect, and I will use this parameter user to pass on to this context hook. Okay, so I will be setting my user for via this. So now what I will do, I'll make use of the use effect over here, and inside of this use effect, I will get the user. Okay, so first of all, I will see whether the user is stored in the stored user is equal to, I will get the user from the local storage, and I will save the user in local storage with the help of the key user, and if there is a stored user in the this local storage, then I will pass that user, because I'll before saving the data in the local storage I will stringify and store, and while getting it I will pass the data. So I have to use the JSON pass, and I will set the data with the help of the set user, and it will be assigned to this variable. Okay, so this has been done, and let me put this square bracket so that it will keep on rendering with each and every render. So this has been done. So now I will do one thing. I will create a function as a login. It will take the username and the password, and let me not use the autocomplete right now. It might create an issue. So I will make use of the try and catch over again, and it will take the error. And if there is any error, then it will console log the error. Okay. So inside of this try block, I will say constant response is equal to await x0 dot post, and I will make use of local storage. Sorry, not local storage, localhost. Exist post to this. The users dot login, and while logging in, I have to pass the username and email. Okay, I will pass the username and email which I will be getting from this login. So once that has been done, so once when the user logs in, I will get the token on the user. So I will say constant token comma user from the response to data. Okay, so I will get the token and this thing. And I will say local storage dot set items. So over here, this is the place where I'm setting the user, by the way. Okay, so this is JSON dot stringify, and when it comes to JSON dot stringification, I will store the user like this, and I have to also store the token. Okay, so when it comes to the token, I will store the token directly like this without stringification. We are basically stringifying the data because when it comes to the user, we can store the data in local storage in form of a string. But when we are getting the user data, it's in the form of a object, and we cannot store the object. So we have to stringify. We have to convert that object into string. So we are using the JSON.stringify. And once this has been done, I will say set user, and I will set whatever is my user, and I will give the alert logged in successfully. Okay, so I will give the alert that user has logged in. So this is my login function, constant logout. I will give the logout function over here. And from the local storage, I will do one thing. I will remove the token and remove the user when the user is logging out. And one more thing, whatever is this login and logout, I have to pass this as well. Okay, so I want to make this data also accessible to the entire application. So I'll be passing this also as the values. And export constant use use auth, and I will just pass it on. Okay, so I will export this use auth. So now what I will do, I will go to my navbar, and I have to import it. Use auth. I have imported the use auth, and inside of the navbar, I will use the logout. Okay, so over here, if you see, I have passed user login and logout. And when it comes to the navigation part, I will be making use of the user and the logout over here. Okay, so this is how I am having my these parameters Axios. Have to install the Axios as well. So this much is fine, I guess. I'm having all the required parameters. I think there is some error. Let me just go and give it a try. What is the error? Undefined. It is saying the user is undefined. I have to check what is the issue. Locus result get item. So basically, this is what am I doing. So locus storage dot get item. Otherwise, user is null. Okay, so now I'm going to the line number level. Okay, so it is throwing error for this user. So what you can do is there are this few functionalities which I have missed over here. So let me just quickly implement this functionality. So I am having this user role. I'll use this parameter over here, and then I'm having the button over here. And I'll give the button color, and on click I will have this logout. So now let me just go up and implement this logout. I will say handle logout. I will come up over here. And once the user is logged out, I will send the user to the login page. It is still throwing the error somewhere. I'll just let the user. Hey, what's up, guys? I forgot to uh, play the video over again. So what was the issue actually? Issue was key. I have not imported auth provider. Okay, so we have created auth context. We have to provide those values to our entire application. So I have to import that over here, and this is a CSS based line. Okay, so we were getting some extra margin padding over here, and once that CSS based line has been put, that error will go. And now we are having this these values which we have, which is basically the user login function, logout function. These are like globally present to our entire application with the help of context. And now the error which we were getting, that error is gone now. So this is how we have resolved that error. And in the next tutorial, we will see how to design the other pages. So thanks for watching. Now that is all for this tutorial. And yeah, keep watching the tutorials. Thanks for watching.